Wag, the first cross collie greyhound lurcher. Beautiful dog, beautiful dog. Had him on the rabbits yesterday, caught one. So did Meg over here. This is his sister, collie greyhound cross. He's gorgeous. Very nice dog. Meg! And then we got over here the wolfhound collie. Casper! Very timid, to be honest. Casper! Yeah, I don't think he likes it. Then we got Paco the Whippet. Yeah. And there's a pit bull in here, so I didn't really want to go in there. Then there's Maddie, a collie, pure collie. He's very good. Fox badger, yeah, she's done everything. And here we've got Smokey. Smokey, there's Maddie. No. And then behind there, I don't really want to go around because it's rocky and there's a pit bull cross Patterdale. Very nice, yeah, so that's it, cheers. Bye.